Your brain is not broken, it's programmed. And in the next 7 minutes, I'll show you how to reprogram it in just 7 days using real neuroscience. Part 1. The problem. Most people think they're stuck in bad habits, stuck in addiction, stuck in laziness. But neuroscience says something different. Your brain is constantly changing. Every thought you repeat, every habit you follow, is literally rewiring your brain. And if you don't take control, your environment will program you instead. Part 2. The science. According to Dr. Andrew Huberman, your brain runs on something called dopamine. Dopamine is not pleasure, it's motivation. Every time you watch short videos, junk food, or instant gratification, your brain gets easy dopamine. And slowly, you lose the ability to focus on hard things. Part 3. The truth. You're not lazy, you're overstimulated. Your brain has been trained to choose easy rewards over meaningful goals. But here's the good news. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity. That means you can change it. Part 4. 7-day rewire plan. Day 1 to 2, dopamine reset. Remove social media, limit, junk content, late night scrolling. Day 3 to 4, focus training. Do 1 hour deep work, no distractions. Train your brain like a muscle. Day 5 to 6, discipline build. Do hard things, cold shower, exercise, wake up early. Day 7, identity shift. Stop saying, I'm lazy. Start saying, I am disciplined. Part 5. Power ending. In just 7 days, you won't become perfect, but you will become aware. And awareness is the first step to control. Remember this, you either control your brain or your brain controls you.